In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. This is a really useful feature because giving your accountant direct access to your books can save you a lot of time, back and forth emails, and headaches during tax season. I'll walk you through each step slowly, so feel free to follow along in your own QuickBooks account. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account as the primary company admin. Only an admin user has the permission to add an accounting firm, so if you're not seeing some of the options I mentioned, double-check that you're logged in with an admin-level account. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. It looks like a small settings wheel. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the tools and configuration options for your company. From the menu that appears, look for the section labeled Your Company, and then select Manage Users. This page controls who can access your QuickBooks file and what they're allowed to see and do. Don't worry, you're not changing regular staff users here. We're just heading to the area that also includes accountant access. On the Manage Users screen, find the tab labeled either Accounting Firms or Accountants, depending on the version you're using. Click on that tab. This is a dedicated space where QuickBooks keeps track of any external accounting firms that have access to your books. Next, you'll see an option that says Invite Firm, or simply Invite. Click that button to start the process of adding your accountant. This tells QuickBooks that you're about to bring in a professional user, not just a regular team member. A small form will appear asking for details. Here, type in your accountant's email address carefully, since the invitation will be sent there. You can also enter their name if you'd like, which helps you recognize them later, especially if you work with more than one accountant or firm. When everything looks right, click Save, Send, or Send the invitation, depending on what your screen shows. At this point, QuickBooks may ask you to complete a verification step, such as a two-step verification code. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's really you sending the invite. Once that's done, your accountant will receive an email with instructions to connect to your QuickBooks Online company, and you're all set.